I'm Jared Lamb, and welcome back to Refiner's Forge. So today we're going to be forging an axe head, and this is going to be a special axe head. So it's going to be for the Bearded Carpenter on YouTube and Instagram. I started watching his channel. He does some great work, great teacher, and so I contacted him and asked him what kind of tool I can make for him that he could use. He does like log cabin buildings and stuff like that, restoring log cabins and also making new ones. And so he told me he has a really nice felling axe, but it's a new old stock one. It's an antique, it's never been sharpened, has the original handle on it. He really likes it, but he doesn't want to use it. So he sent me the dimensions of that axe, and I just happen to have this old antique axe head, and it almost matched the dimensions exactly of the axe that he has that I'm going to try to reproduce. So I'm going to use this as a pattern, and this is going to be the starting stock. It's 1¼ inches wide by 4 inches tall by 3½ inches long. So the finished weight we're shooting, the finished weight for the head of the axe we're shooting for is 3½ pounds. All right, let's get started. Dang it. So we're on the last belt here, about to finish it up. So I go, when I start out grinding, profile grinding, I start with a 40 grit, then I go to a 150, and then a 300, and we finish out with a 600 grit belt. Steel, it's oil hardening steel. You know, when it's real hot, you don't want to put it in the water because it might crack. So after I let it cool off, so I'm trying to get a nice, pretty even straw yellow color throughout. So you see me cooling off the edge of it because I don't want that edge to heat up too much before I get the backside heated up. Kind of disappears some after points in the water. So I'm cooling off that edge as I'm drawing the heat up. Turn my torch off, and then we're gonna dunk it here and just to stop the temper. Anyways, so I'm pretty happy how this axe turned out. There is kind of one flaw to it. So this side of the eye is a little thicker than this one. So this is the prototype. We'll go ahead and send it off to the Bearded Carpenter. If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, fantastic YouTube channel, go check that out. I'll provide a link in the description of his channel. But he's gonna put a handle on it and test it for us. But everything else about it is it's pretty sweet. So really happy with how that turned out, and I hope the Bearded Carpenter gets a lot of good use out of it. And hopefully it works well for him, and he can give me any feedback of anything I need to improve or change on it, edge geometry and all that. So looking forward to his feedback and seeing what he does with it. So if you like what I do and you like my channel, there's a few things you can do that doesn't cost you a dime to help me out, and that's hit that like button, and also provide a comment for me in the comment section. Give me feedback, let me know what you like, give me suggestions, and also it'd be absolutely fantastic if you subscribed and or shared. This is my full-time job, it's not just a hobby for me. That's how I support my family. So if you would like to contribute monetarily, you can head over to refinersforge.com and peruse some of the items I have there for sale.